ni JM. Then, okay. Last question, Dusty. Of course, recently lang, nagkaroon ng concert si Will. And now, ito nga yung announcement na you will also have Dusty to experience.
Yeah.
Saan ba, parang dating tuloy, parang may competition ba sa inyong dalawa? Yun muna.
Wala. Walang competition. Alam niyo, may sarili siyang career, may sarili rin akong career. At itong fan meet na to, hindi siya concert.
It is an experience, a one-of-a-kind experience.
Parang siyang fan meet pala. Parang siyang more like interaction.
An exclusive date with you, actually.
Yeah.
Parang mga Korean actor na nagpapalit.
Yes, parang gano'n. So, opa ako ngayon. So, yeah. Walang competition. Straightforward, walang competition.
Walang competition. Thank you, Will, in terms of career and love life.
Wala.
Okay. At least malinaw, di ba?
Yes.
Thank you, Dustin, and
Thank you.
congratulations. Congrats din po, Miss Pauline and Miss Amy. Yeah. Next question will come from Alan John.
Yes.
One-of-a-kind event, so we hope to see you all there. Now at this point, before we officially close this event, of course, it's only proper that we hear some last few messages from, of course, Ms. April, Ms. Pauline. Last messages to everybody here in attendance.
Again, thank you everyone for joining us today. And of course, Dustin, maraming supporters and family and friends ang super sumaya today. And of course, looking forward tayo on December 4. And thank you to our media friends and family for being with us here today.
Ms. April?
About sa details nung December 4, we will be posting some mechanics kung paano makakakuha nung ating Dustin New Experience kit and tickets. So we will be announcing that anytime soon. But should we announce the kit selling, ticket selling?
Next week.
Or ipopost na lang? Ipopost na lang natin para naka-ready yun. So it's gonna be a corporate event for Dustin, pero open to anyone who would want to experience this journey with Dustin. Congrats, Dustin.
Dustin, of course, any final thoughts, final messages to everybody in attendance today, this afternoon?
Of course, una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga press na nag-attend ngayon. Wala naman itong industry na to kung wala kayo. So maraming salamat sa mga supporters na lagi nandyan since PBB days. Maraming salamat sa inyo at mahal ko kayo. Sana ma-sold out yung tickets. Of course, to my management, to my GMA Sparkle.
1 week daw, 1 day daw.
1 day sold out.
And to my virtual playground, thank you so much. And of course, sa bumubuo ng Aromagic Care family, Ms. April, Ms. Pauline, thank you so much for trusting me. Lagi kong gagalingan, of course. Madami pa tayong plano and surprises. At hindi lang dito nagtatapos yan. For me, lahat ng brands na nagtitiwala sa akin, tinitreat ko as family. So, family na tayo. Ampon nyo na ako. Thank you so much and looking forward for more. Thank you so much, guys.
Alright, thank you so much. Dustin, palakpakan po natin again these three lovely people in front. Again, dami nating abangan. On behalf of our director, Flo, and everybody here, nabubuo ng production na to, on behalf of Sparkle, of course, Virtual Playground, Aromagic Care, maraming salamat po to everybody in attendance this afternoon. It was an inspiring and truly an exciting afternoon. Congratulations once again to Aromagic Care and Dustin Yu. Here's to more success and magic again. Once again, I'm your host, Miguel Almendras. It has been my pleasure to be with you this afternoon. Have fun, have a great afternoon, and enjoy. Thank you so much, everybody.